11 Home remedies for an ear infection. Ear infections are nasty at the best of times, and dealing with one while waiting for a medical appointment to become available can be frustrating. Luckily though, there are steps that people with ear infections can take to help reduce the effects of symptoms. Here are some safe and effective home remedies for an ear infection to try when expert help and advice isn't immediately accessible. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic has potent antimicrobial and pain-relieving properties that make it highly effective as a home remedy for ear infections. There are several different ways you can employ garlic as a natural earache remedy. Make your own garlic oil by cooking 2 cloves in 2 tablespoons of mustard oil until it becomes black in color. Strain the liquid, and when it is just hot enough for you to bear, put a few drops in the affected ear. Be sure to use a clean dropper for this method. You can also boil a few fresh cloves of garlic in water for about 5 minutes. Crush them and add a little real salt. Put this mixture into a clean cloth and place it against the ear that is hurting. In addition to the above remedies with garlic, you can also consume a few cloves of fresh garlic daily to help boost your immunity and speed up healing. Number 2. Olive oil. There are many reasons for an ear infection, but one very common one is when wax in the ear is attacked by a fungal or bacterial growth which leads to a blockage in the eustachian tubes. This obstruction can be cleared easily with the help of olive oil. Warm up some olive oil on the stove, on low heat. Dribble the oil into the infected ear. When the oil hits the wax, it will soften. After this, remove the wax with a cotton swab. However, do not put the swab too far into the ear as you may damage the eardrum. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is touted as the go-to remedy, one that your grandmother may have relied upon. Despite its strong aroma and acidic taste, this vinegar made from fermented apples has a plethora of healing properties. One of these properties is its antibacterial and antifungal characteristics. Known for its ability to fight chronic yeast infections, apple cider vinegar can also tackle fungus that may cause ear infections. To use apple cider vinegar for ear infections, mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 1 part water. Soak a cotton ball in the solution. Place the cotton ball in your affected ear and let it sit for 5 minutes or so. Remove the cotton ball and lay down on your opposite side so that any residual vinegar can drain from your ear. Dry your ear out with a hair dryer set on low. Note, if you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can use white vinegar. If you know that the location of your infection in the eustachian tubes, you can try gargling with apple cider vinegar as well. Number 4. Salt compress. A warm compress may help relieve the pressure building up in the ear as well. Using a compress for 20-minute periods while resting can help reduce pain. This can be done along with other pain treatments, including over-the-counter medications. Most people have no trouble finding a little salt in their home. Heat up 1 cup of salt over low heat for just a few minutes. Place the warm salt in a clean and soft cloth. Secure the end of the cloth with a rubber band. When you can stand the temperature, lay down and place the cloth on the affected ear for about 10 minutes. Repeat this daily to help bring relief. The warm salt will help draw out the fluid from the ear and reduce pain and swelling. Number 5. Basil. Basil is an herb with many therapeutic properties. Basil is high in antioxidants and also contains potent antibacterial properties. To use basil, crush 5 fresh holy basil leaves very gently to expel the juice. Apply the basil juice on and around the affected ear. Be careful not to get any of the juice in the ear canal. Alternatively, mix a few drops of holy basil oil with an equal amount of coconut oil and soak a cotton ball in the mixture. Wipe gently just inside the ear, around the outside of the ear and behind the ear with the mixture. Number 6. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has a number of amazing therapeutic properties including antibacterial, antiseptic, antiviral, antimicrobial, fungicide, insecticide, balsamic, expectorant and stimulant. All of these properties make tea tree oil an excellent herbal remedy to turn to when you have ear pain or infection. Mix a few drops of oil with a tablespoon of olive oil and warm slightly. Fill a clean dropper with the mixture and drop into the infected ear. Lay on your side with the oil in your ear for about 3 minutes. Turn your head to drain the oil out. Repeat daily until the pain subsides. Number 7. Distraction. This method mainly works best for children suffering with ear infections, but adults can also benefit. The idea is to make them as comfortable as possible, and to take their mind off the pain as well as prevent any interference with the infected ears. Number 8. Switching sleep position. The last thing an infected ear needs is pressure. If your sleep position involves lying on the affected ear, you'll definitely want to think about changing things up. Raise your ear rather than have it face the pillow, which not only relieves pressure but also helps it drain better. At the same time, faster drainage may be achieved by elevating your head with some extra pillows. Number 9. Neck exercises. Another great home remedy for an ear infection is doing neck exercises. Because some ear infections are exacerbated by pressure in the ear canal, relieving this is crucial to keeping symptoms at bay. And given the connection between neck, jaw, and ear muscles, you're almost sure to notice an improvement from the infection with some light workouts. Neck rotations should be performed with the following steps in mind. Sit up straight while ensuring both feet remain flat. Rotate your neck and head one way until parallel with your shoulder. Rotate the other way until parallel with your other shoulder. Raise shoulders high, as if trying to cover your ears. Move slow. Hold gently, stretching to the count of 5, then relax. Repeat at regular intervals throughout the day for optimal effectiveness. Just remember not to strain too hard while rotating your neck. If you feel like you're overdoing it, take a break. Number 10. Blow drying. While you may not initially think of your blow dryer as being an effective home remedy for an ear infection, it really can make a difference. Blow drying the ear can help dry up any leftover moisture, for instance, after being in the bath or shower. This will also help with any discharge problems you may be experiencing as a result of an ear infection. Point your blow dryer on a low heat near the affected ear and remember, always be gentle. Number 11. Over-the-counter, OTC, pain relievers. Sometimes pain from an ear infection is so intense only over-the-counter, OTC, pain relievers will make it go away. Ibuprofen or paracetamol have been known to help, though if you can, you'll always want to check with your doctor or a medical professional who knows your history to be sure. Most OTC pain relievers are safe to use with antibiotics, but only if you follow the correct dosing instructions as indicated on the label. Over-the-counter pain meds may also help lower any ear infection-related fever. Children should only be given the appropriate child-friendly formulation of OTC pain relievers. You'd be wise to try an alternative ear infection home remedy until you can discuss their case with a hearing specialist or pediatrician. Although ear infections can be painful and troubling, it may be possible to treat them with one or more home remedies. However, if these don't work, be sure to arrange a visit with a qualified hearing professional or your GP. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.